Hello and welcome to this introduction video. Today uh, we did a model of the steel column, a square steel column, the solid part uh, with a steel end plate using this steel angle. Here we have bolt, here we have a stud as a connection between a steel plate and the steel angle, and here the bolts are the connection between the column and steel angles here under the dynamic load in Abaqus software. So this is the schematic of the work, and we consider everything in this model. You can see here, after applying the load, we have the maximum deformation here, and you can see the separation happen between the steel end plate, column, steel angles here, you can see. Then the stress concentration here, the critical zones. At the top and at the bottom we have the critical zones, and then see here, this is the damage for the bolts. You can see the fully damaged reach. It is about 82% damage for this bolt here. And then we have the force displacement diagram. That's the important things. The maximum is about 350 kilonewton for this example, and this is the end here about 16 centimeter. Then another view of the model. Here is the displacement for all the parts, and here this is the end shear stress for parts. So if you need to model the column, base plate, bolt, stud, steel angle, and their connection, come to our website and find the English tutorial here. This is the structural behavior of the demountable tabular column to base plate joints with a stud in Abaqus. You can search here in the search section of the website, here or here, to find the model. Then you will have titles here: introduction, assembly, finite element method, then the numerical model, and then the definition of the steps, results, and at the end the project file including CAE, INP, paper, and English video file step by step. And the price is 30 euros, and our payment ways is PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies. Before any payment, contact us through this email. Then we will let you know more about the content of the tutorial, payment method, and anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.